Imagine sipping a sweet drink on a hot day, a soda, a bubble tea, a sweetened iced coffee. It feels innocent, even refreshing. But deep inside the body, in the microscopic world of your cells, something very different might be happening if there are hidden cancer cells waiting for an opportunity. According to new research published in Nature Metabolism, a single enzyme called SORD, sorbitol dehydrogenase, can take the sugars from those drinks, fructose and glucose, and transform them into powerful fuel for cancer's most dangerous ability, metastasis. This isn't just about feeding cancer cells enough to grow. It's about equipping them with everything they need to break away from their original tumor, travel through the bloodstream, and set up camp somewhere else in the body. The researchers uncovered that when fructose and glucose are present together, as they usually are in sugary beverages, SORD converts them into metabolites that boost both energy production and biosynthesis. Glucose floods into pathways that generate quick ADP, the universal energy currency of the cell, while fructose, with the help of SORD, is transformed into precursors that help build lipids, nucleotides, and amino acids. This dual action means cancer cells are not only energized but fully stocked with the raw materials needed to divide rapidly and survive the stresses of traveling through the body. It's almost as if sugary drinks become a pit stop where cancer cells refuel, reload, and hit the road at top speed. But far from being just a frightening revelation, this is exactly the kind of breakthrough that brings real hope. For decades, cancer research has focused on genetic mutations as the key to understanding tumor growth. Now, discoveries like this show that metabolism, the way cells process nutrients, can be just as crucial and maybe even more modifiable. Genes may be hard to change, but metabolism can be influenced through both medication and lifestyle choices. This means we now have a clear target: SORD itself. If scientists can develop drugs that block its activity, they could cut off this powerful fuel source for cancer without needing to attack every cell in the body indiscriminately. That could lead to a new class of anti-metastatic therapies that slow or stop cancer's spread, the single most important factor in survival. On a personal level, this information is empowering because it means we can take steps today that make a difference. Reducing sugary drink consumption becomes a form of prevention at the cellular level. It isn't about living in fear, but about tipping the balance in favor of health, giving the body fewer metabolic signals that help cancer spread. And this doesn't have to mean eliminating sugar completely. It's about awareness and moderation, choosing water or unsweetened beverages most of the time, and saving the sweet stuff for occasional enjoyment. What makes this study so exciting is that it gives us a clearer picture of how something as simple as diet connects to something as complex as cancer metastasis. Every time science illuminates a pathway like this, it gives researchers another way to intervene and patients another reason to feel hopeful about the future. The idea that cancer uses sugar like fuel is not new, but showing precisely how SORD turns that fuel into a metastatic advantage is a leap forward that could inspire a wave of new research and drug development. SORD may be the molecular engine that helps cancer turn a sip of soda into an opportunity to spread, but now that scientists know how it works, the process can be slowed, disrupted, or even stopped entirely. This is not just a warning about what sugar can do, it's an invitation to think differently about how we nourish ourselves and how medicine can one day cut off cancer's escape routes. The sweet drinks may have been helping cancer's getaway car, but thanks to discoveries like this, we are learning how to take away the keys.